In today's video, I will teach you how to make a dusty sunray effect using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now create a new layer by clicking on its icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-N on your keyboard. In the toolbar, select the pen tool and outline the area where you would like to put the sunray onto. Once you're done, right-click on the outline and fill the path with white. Now, convert the layer to a smart object. Then open the Filters tab and select Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Now, set the value to whichever suits your image, then click OK. Now, hit Ctrl-J to make a copy of the layer to put onto the other window panes. Once you're done, group the layers together and add a layer mask to the group. Now, open the Filters tab and select Render, then Clouds. You can now adjust the blurriness as well as the opacity of the clouds to your liking. And you're done! If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.